What's going on, everybody? Real Patriots Fishing here. Want to show you guys real quick how I have my Garmin Force Current on my Old Town 120 Pro hooked up. It's a very simple rig, probably one of the easiest trolling motors I've ever hooked up. I'm going to go through how I have it set up and what's working for me right now. So currently I'm using the Navarre offset plate. This is a plate you can buy right from Navarre. It mounts directly to the kayak, pop out a couple screws, and you're good to go. Mount the motor directly to that plate using the mounting screws, those four right there. Take your wire or your cable or nylon string, really, run it from the motor, from the plate down in here, through these loops that you can buy off of Amazon. Really simple. All the way along down the gear track, all the way past the pads, all the way up to the retracting handle. The way that this works is basically you just pull the handle and it pulls up the motor. You can pull it back towards you and lock it down in place. Really simple. I love it that I don't have to have two separate cables to pull this motor up. And then for remote options, so this motor has two different options. As you guys know, you either have the foot steering or you have the remote control. So what I did is I just got a simple mounted to a Scotty plate, and this is the remote control mount, and I just stick the remote control in there, and it works great for me. Now, one thing to keep in mind, that if you're going to be running, long distances and you got your rudder down, this motor does have the potential to hit the rudder. Now, if you have this perfectly straight, you're not going to hit it, but you can see you don't have clearance really. It's super tight. So the best thing to do is, if you're going to put this trolling motor on here, you just pull up your rudder and run from point A to point B, pull the motor back up, put the rudder back down, and go from there. Now, some guys are deleting the rudder completely and hooking the motor right here. They're making their own kind of mount, I've seen. Other guys are running the foot pedals. The problem with the foot pedals on this kayak and any other kayak is you're going to run into clearance issues if you want to keep the pedal drive. I keep the pedal drive because I really like being able to exercise my foot because of my foot injury. So for me, I have to have it this way. This is the way it works for me. I'm running a 12-volt lithium, 100 amp hour lithium battery that just sits right in the back in this box. This is connected directly to the motor right here when you click it in, and this just stays on the back.